Today we are going to be cooking two popular dishes in Indonesia.
And we're not going to do this at a popular cooking class. Instead, we're going to cook these dishes in a local WARUNG's kitchen. Hello, how are you? Go inside?
Yeah, we can go. Okay. Hello guys.
Hello. Hello, chef. What's your name?
Kade.
Kade?
Yeah.
Lovely to meet you. I'm Leanne.
Yeah.
And this is Daniel.
Yeah.
Hi.
What's your name?
Which day?
Which day?
Yeah.
Lovely to meet you. Thank you for having us in your kitchen. They're shy.
So we've just entered the kitchen here at the local WARUNG, and we're actually going to start preparing our ingredients for these two dishes. So they're going to make us chop everything, which is pretty epic. So we're basically going to be making our own meals in this restaurant.
Which is great because hopefully we'd be able to take these cooking skills back home and try and replicate it for our family and friends. Well, that's the plan at least. So we're just waiting for the chef to prepare some other people's dishes, but it is quite warm in this kitchen. I can imagine that chefs get really hot or they just love the heat.
I think it's because they like to taste food. Because I bet you while they're preparing people's food, they're probably having sneaky tastes here and there.
By the looks of this kitchen so long, they have like a sink where they've got some chicken over here which they prepared. Looks like they have a grill there, all the stove tops over here, and then a prepping station over here. It's actually quite a nice sized kitchen.
So what can we do? Where can we start chopping?
What is this? Cabbage?
Yeah.
Cauliflower.
Cabbage? Spinach?
Yeah.
Okay, and lettuce.
Yeah. For
Okay.
Mie Goreng.
For Mie Goreng?
Yeah.
So these are the only ingredients you need, right?
Yeah, for Mie Goreng. And then Nasi Goreng, only this.
So Mie Goreng has the cabbage, the lettuce and the spinach, and then Nasi Goreng only has the spinach.
So goreng actually means fried. So nasi is actually rice and mie is noodles. So you're actually referring to fried rice and fried noodles. So Leanne's actually going to be having the Nasi Goreng, which is the fried rice, and I'm going to be having the fried noodles, which is the Mie Goreng.
Start. Yeah.
Okay.
Ready?
Alright, ready. Thank you.
This is for a knife for you.
Is that enough for me?
Yeah, little
Okay.
knife.
Thank you.
For the big
That's
knife.
all. So cutting the lettuce at the moment. Is that fun? Always wondered what it would be like to be a chef.
They actually did start chopping the ingredients already, and we told them no, we would like to do that. So some of the chicken is like chopped up, and all we need to do is just put it on a stick, which is actually for Leanne's Nasi Goreng.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Make sure it's spaced out. Although these are the ingredients we have chopped up, you can actually mix different ingredients into this dish. So you, example, don't have to have chicken, you can have shrimp, or you can just use different veggies as well. There's no actual specific ingredients that need to go into this dish.
First, you put chicken.
Chicken. Okay. All of the chicken?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so first sprinkling the chicken. So a handful of chicken, I'm sorry. I don't know what I'm doing in the kitchen.
Leanne's basically trying to steal all the chicken in the kitchen.
I didn't mean to. It's nerve-wracking being this side of the kitchen. It's so different to cooking at home. Back home I'd just be like, yeah, this is relaxed, no problem. But here I feel so much pressure. My dish just has to taste nice. Add some, which is
Garlic.
that? Garlic.
Chopped garlic. Yeah.
Chopped garlic, okay?
On
1
the-
spoon.
Yeah.
Okay, 1 spoon of garlic. Gonna mix that with the chicken.
Carrot.
Some carrots,
Onion.
chopped onion, leek, and chili. Okay. And we just cook this with the chicken
Until well done. Yeah.
until it's all well done. How's my cooking? Good?
Is she doing a good job or bad job? Is she doing good job, eh?
Can I be hired? Starting to smell amazing. I wish I could convey the smell over this camera, but sure. I think this is going to be delicious, if I must say so myself.
I'm guessing once we taste this dish, we're going to have to give compliments to the chef. I don't know exactly who the compliments is going to go to.
Okay, so I put the spinach in.
Yeah. On the spinach.
And the spinach. Okay. And then we put the rice. And we just mix it all together.
Yeah.
How much soy sauce? Just a dash. And what's this? Fish sauce. So just put some soy sauce and some fish sauce in, but like literally a dash. I probably would have drowned the rice in soy sauce.
And mushroom.
Mushroom. Okay, like a mushroom spice.
Yeah.
Ah, okay. That looks good. So they've also added a little bit of oyster sauce. So all the sauces that have gone in here is literally a dash of soy sauce, a dash of fish sauce, a little bit of mushroom powder, a little bit of pepper, a little pinch of sugar, and some oyster sauce. And now we're just mixing it all with the other ingredients. It's smelling amazing. And this is?
Sweet soy sauce.
Sweet soy sauce. Okay. Is the other one a salty soy sauce? We get two different types of soy sauce?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So this one's more sweet than the one we added in earlier.
And then put the celery.
What is that?
Celery.
Celery.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, celery. Yeah. Is that good? You think it's cooked?
Yeah.
How does
For
it
the
smell?
tester.
You should taste and tell me how mine is. You should taste it.
For you.
But you must taste it and tell me if it's up to scratch with the ones that are normal. They're scared to taste my food. Have a taste, chef. Tell me if it's good.
Oh, very nice.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Then I'm good. I'm happy. If chef's happy, then I'm happy. I'll try it as well.
Yeah.
Okay. Give it a taste right out. Grab a piece of chicken, some rice. I think I made a pretty good dish, if I must say so. I'm so excited to eat this. It's amazing. So I take this and I turn it upside down. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, perfect. It's like building sandcastles. So I've still got to fry an egg and then I have to grill my chicken as well. So the dish is not complete yet.
So we're now starting to add the egg to put on top of the nasi goreng. I think it's going to be such a good dish. I haven't had one of those yet here.
But these ingredients are such simple ingredients that I'm sure you'd be able to find in any store and probably replicate this in your own kitchen at home. In our seasoning we have some salt and paprika and some oil, and we're going to take these chicken skewers or sautés and we're going to just dip it in here and then we're going to grill it. I just put it
sideways.
this way? Yeah. Oh, on the flame itself. Okay. It smells so good, I get so impatient, so I just want to eat it now.
Leanne's now also kind of learning how to braai. So I guess a little bit of some Indonesian cuisine involves some braaiing.
So I'm busy putting a peanut sauce on top of the chicken. Oh, this looks amazing. And now I just put it on the plate.
For the garnish.
Like that.
Yeah.
And where does this go?
This one.
Crispy onion goes on top.
Yeah.
Wow, very
Yeah,
nice.
there we go. That's my dish. Ta-da! I think I did pretty well.
Okay, so now I'm going to make my Mie Goreng. I think this is going to be a lot easier than Nasi Goreng as it's just noodles, so it should be quick. Oh, that looks pretty easy. Okay, it's not so easy.
Yeah.
Like that's fine, eh? And do I cut like this?
Yeah.
Okay, awesome.
No, this no.
Not that, eh?
Only this. No, big slice.
A big slice, eh? I don't know. Like that, eh?
Yeah.
Okay.
This one.
And then I put there, hey? Okay. Done. So you're first adding some butter,
And then
some chicken.
So earlier I was actually stealing Daniel's chicken for this dish.
So basically this dish is starting the same way as the Nasi Goreng. So this time we're just going to have Mie Goreng, which is fried noodles. Let it settle and cook, hey? They're giving me a thumbs up compared to you, hey sweetie.
Yeah.
I'm number one, me number one.
Yeah.
She number two.
We'll have to see afterwards.
Yeah, we'll test, hey? There we go. So you just added some garlic. Same amount that it was in the Nasi Goreng.
Yeah.
Different.
Yeah. Carrot.
So the start of this dish is the same as the Nasi Goreng.
Some leeks.
And the onion.
Mix until well done.
So well done, eh? Oh, it smells so good once that garlic gets added.
It's smelling amazing.
So we're letting it settle as it is a fried noodle, so I thought I should let it settle. They're telling me I must carry on mixing.
Yeah.
Can I try it?
Yeah. Yeah. You like a cooking?
Hey?
You like a cooking?
Yeah, I like cooking. And she also like cooking. Okay, put
Yeah,
in.
you put the egg. Mix.
Okay, so that's a mixed egg, easy, hey?
Yeah.
Okay, so now all the ingredients are cooked together. Now we put all the vegetables on
Yeah.
top. Okay. So all the ingredients that I was chopping earlier on, we're putting in now.
Until well done.
So I think these things are going to start shrinking after a while. And our last ingredient is the noodles. A much easier dish compared to the Nasi Goreng. This one easy, hey?
Yeah. You mix.
Mix.
Slowly for the mix.
Slowly, hey?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, this looks delicious and smells delicious.
Smelling so good.
And now you can put the for the seasoning.
Oh, so same seasoning as Nasi Goreng?
Yeah.
Same.
Same season.
Okay, so this one I'll put.
Not so much. Clearly
Don't
you
put
weren't
so much.
watching when you put with mine.
Yeah. Okay. Little bit, eh?
Little bit, like a dash.
Like that. Okay. Here we go. What's this one? Little bit.
Mushroom kaldu.
Oh, okay.
Mushroom caldo.
Like that one.
Little bit
That's a
sugar.
little bit sugar, eh?
Yeah. How?
Like this, eh? Okay.
Yeah.
We don't know exactly how much ingredients to put in here, so we're kind of just judging it here.
Pepper.
And pepper, eh?
Yeah. Little bit.
Little bit.
Okay, there's very little that came out there, so they're using very little pepper. And then what's this one?
The oyster sauce.
Okay, little bit, eh?
Yeah.
Little bit.
Yeah, you can put and I see.
Tell me when to stop, eh?
One more.
Bendek.
Little bit again. Little bit again. One more. Stop.
We're learning on the go.
Everyone's just watching that Danny doesn't finish all the ingredients in the kitchen because he's just adding so much.
The more flavor, the better, right? Okay, so now you just mix it until it's ready, basically. Is good or still mix?
Yeah, good.
Is it good? Eh?
Yeah.
I feel like I'm getting a lot less instructions than you get.
I was the guinea pig of this whole cooking and then Danny just has to follow suit.
You can taste for the
Can I taste it?
noodle. Can I?
And chef, you have to taste too.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, let's taste this dish. Mie Goreng. Let's grab some chicken, some celery, some carrots. Here we go. Number one. It's the best.
But
It's
still
so
you're the
good.
winner.
Apparently I'm the winner.
We're the best. Suksama.
Mowai.
We are put now
Yeah,
into
you can
place.
put the plating.
Okay. Just put on, eh?
Yeah.
Amazing.
And the last you make for the egg.
The last for the egg, eh?
Yeah.
As the Mie Goreng actually has a little bit of egg inside, so we're gonna make like a small little omelette in order to cut up and put on top of the Mie Goreng. These skills are getting plus signs, eh?
Showing off in the kitchen here.
Hey, you must know. Okay, now we just wait, eh? I could not do that. If it was me, it would be stuck.
Very slowly.
Just put like this.
Yeah.
Finish.
Finish.
I think I'm done with my meal. Now time to officially taste it properly. So I'm gonna taste Leanne's one, the Nasi Goreng. So I've got some rice, putting some of this chicken and peanut butter together with it, because it looks absolutely delicious. And let's taste what Leanne can cook. That is such a good dish. I will give you a thumbs up on this.
Thank you.
It was absolutely amazing. I think it's even prepared well because the way it looked was absolutely stunning. But the flavorings and the ingredients that they're busy putting in here is just so good. The taste is so nice. I will 100% be coming to this place again and again and again while we're in Bali.
And now to taste Danny's dish, which is the Mie Goreng. Get some noodles, and I'm gonna cut a little bit of your omelette that you put on the top and get some chicken. Wow. Now, Danny can come home and cook this for me because this is amazing. Now you can't tell me that you can't cook.
We really enjoyed making these meals here, and making it at a warung makes it so much more awesome.
And I feel pretty proud of ourselves that we can actually
Yeah.
make such a dish. I think the presentation, the look, everything is just top quality.
And the people that we made it so much fun. But I'm so glad that we could learn how to make at least a little bit of some Indonesian food, because I think this dish is going to stay with us forever.
That's for sure. So if there are other dishes that you think we should be trying while we're here in Bali, leave that in the comments below. And if you like this video, give it a like, and then we'll see you in the next one.
Thank you so much, everybody. Thank you. We'll see you guys again, okay? Bye-bye. Thank you. Such a lovely bunch of people.
I really enjoyed that.